is in the chair. Be careful, children, okay? Ready? Shall we start? Jahnavi, where are you? Yeah. Very good. Dikshan, you joined today. Good morning, Dikshan.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, ma. Okay, ready, steady, go. On the chair. On. On the chair. On. On. On means you have to stand on the chair. Stand on the chair. What do you mean by stand on the chair? Yeah, very good. Good. Okay, now sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. Good. Good, everyone. Okay. Now stand behind the chair. Behind. Stand behind the chair. Behind means where you'll go and stand. Hiding, ah. Nukshita, are you hiding? Stand behind the chair. Okay. Now stand in front of the chair. In front of the chair. Very good. In front of the chair. Okay, now go under the chair. Under. If you can go, you go, or else please don't go. Under means if you know what is under, that's enough. Ritvik, why are you laughing, Ritvik? What did you do with the chair? Very good. Kavyani, you can't go under that stool. Leave it. Very good, Rohita. Good. Rohita, Nukshita, Hashini. Very good. Now come outside. Come outside now. Months of the year. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, ma Kavyani.
The small chair, ma'am.
That's what I said. You need not go under the chair. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now months of the year, children. Who is going to say months of the year today?
Ask me.
Okay, Hashini. Come on, Hashini. Hashini, come on. First, I heard it from Hashini. So ready? Ready? Wait, Hashini, wait. Not only you are going to say, Dev Krish is also going to say because he also called me. Okay? Come on, Dev Krish. Ready, Dev Krish?
Ready, ma'am.
Start. I'm going to start clapping now. Ready? Steady. Wait. Ready? Steady. Go. January. Come on, start.
May. October.
October. November.
October. Apro.
December. Very good. And now who is going to count by tens? Tens counting. 10 to 100. Who is going to count? Nitek. Ready, Nitek?
Ma'am,
Come on, all of you jump and count. 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
100. Yes, Rohita, are you ready? Rohita, ready for counting?
Right, ready, Chapo. Ready, ma'am, Chapo.
Count.
Count check. 10, 20, good. 30, good. 40, good. 60, no, 50.
50.
60, very good. 70, 80, 90,
100. Okay, very good. Karthikeyan, are you ready?
Correctly, ma'am.
Very good, Rohita. Good girl. Karthikeyan, are you ready? Yes, next to Nukshita, okay? First Karthikeyan. Come on, tens counting.
You only.
30, yeah.
10.
Karthikeyan, close your fingers first.
20, 30, 40,
Mm.
50,
100, 90, 20. Already I heard this from someone. Who was that? I don't remember. Maybe it's Dev Krish, I think. After 90, 20. Huh? After 90 is 100, 100. Okay, it's not 19. It's 9090 children. Okay. Nukshita, start. Very good, Karthikeyan. Nukshita. Nukshita. Come on.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, nice chair. Come on, let me see that.
What?
Move, let me see. What is that? Hey, very cute, Kavyani. Who bought you that? It's really nice. Very nice.
My uncle, my birthday gift.
Your birthday gift. Ah, very nice. Awesome. Beautiful. Okay, come on. Count. 10.
And my right.
Okay. 10, 20, ma'am.
10.
Ready, big.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
70.
70, 80, 90,
90. 100.
90,
100. Very good. Well done. Okay, shall we start our attendance? Come on, children, all of you go drink water and come back. Drink water and come back. Darshika. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
My name is Dashika, studying junior KG.
Very good. Dev Krish.
My name is Degrash. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Okay. Danvin.
Attendance learning.
Attendance, ma. Drink water. Drink your water and say.
I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Danvin. Dikshan.
Miss Ditsan, I am 4 years old.
Very good, Dikshan.
KG.
Very good, ma. Farnaz. Farnaz.
My name is Farna Fatma. I am studying junior KG.
Okay. Very good. Hashni.
My name is Asini. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old. Thank you, girl.
Janavi.
My name is Janice. I am junior KG. I am physical 4 years old.
Karthikeyan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Karthikeyan.
My name is Karthikeyan. Studying junior 4 years old.
Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Attendance, Sangeet.
And I am Manila, ma'am. My name is Kavyali. I am studying junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am Chinti girl.
Very good. Nightek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Nukshita.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nuchita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I'm Kissy girl.
Very good. Pranita. Pranita. Oh my God. Pranita is absent. Okay. Rohita. Rohita.
Ma'am, my name is Soita. I'm 4 years old. I'm Kissy girl.
Very good. Ritvik.
Ma'am, he went to restroom, ma'am.
Okay. I'm marking him. Okay. Nitila.
My name is Nick.
My name is Sindra. Studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Siddharth. Satvika. Satvika. Tarnika. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Vishank.
Sure. Morning, ma'am.
Vishank.
Good morning, ma'am.
My name is Vishnu.
My name is Rushank. I'm studying.
Thank you. I'm studying in
I'm studying in
Junior KG.
Proceed.
Boy.
I'm
I
studying
am
in.
studying in a boy.
Studying in boy.
I'm studying in Junior KG.
I'm studying in boy.
Hmm?
Studying in junior KG. I'm an happy boy.
Okay. Vivan. Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Good morning, ma'am. I think in junior KG for a start.
Daily you're forgetting your name. Daily what you should say first? My name is. That only you should say, no? Daily you're forgetting this. Huh?
My name is. My name is Ritu.
Oh my God. Zedi. Zedi. Lakshana. இப்பதான் கூப்பிட்டேனேம்மா லக்ஷனா லக்ஷனா
Morning, ma'am. And
My name is
my name is Lakshana. I studying junior KG.
I am
I ask
4 years.
4 years old.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, children, hope you all have prepared for your assessment. Okay, and now we are going to sing a action rhyme. You know the roly poly, right? You all love that rhyme. Yes or no? Okay, come on, let's start. Roly poly, roly poly. Up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. I want all of you to do the action. Roly poly, big, big, big. How will you show big? Big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. How will you show tall? Tall, how will you show? Tall. Very good, Janavi, Karthikeyan. Tall. Roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly. What is this? Fat. Roly poly. Thin. Roly poly. Open, pen. Roly poly. Close. Roly poly. Slowly. Roly poly. Fast. Do it fast. Very good. Okay, children. Now come on, all of you. Take your slate. Okay. Now I'm going to say. Sorry? If you don't have the slate, you can use your notebook. Take your slate, all of you. I'm going to say one by one each alphabet I'll be telling you. You have to write. Okay, I'll say the phonic sound only. I will not say the letter. I'll say only the phonic sound. If I'm saying means you have to write A. Along with action. Ma'am is going to show you along with action. Ready, all of you? Yes? Yeah, good. Ready, come on.
Small letter or
Small letters, only small letters. Only small letters. Okay? Ready? Steady. Go. We are going to start. B. First letter is B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Very good, Farnas. Yes? Lift your slate and show me. Let me see everyone's slate. Very good. Danvin, good. Danvin. Yeah, I'm seeing everyone. Danvin, Karthikeyan, Nukshita. Very good. Hashini, Tarnika, Rohita, Kavyani. Why are you making your face like that? Night take. Good, correct. Show me your slate, ma Kavyani. Yeah, I saw and I take. Ritvik, correct. Everyone right. Very good. Big round of applause for my children. Nitila, right. Good. Rohit also correct. Yeah, I'm seeing everyone. Okay, I'm watching everyone in my screen, so don't worry about that. Next letter. Next letter.
அங்க
Snake
சொல்றாங்க பாரு
is
மேம்.
in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Children, follow the line. If you are writing in 4 lines, follow the line. Only in that blue line you will write, or the white line in the slate. Okay? Very good. Good. Rohita finished. Danvin finished. Ashni finished. Next. Kavyani, I can't see you writing. Why?
Gila, ma'am.
Ritvik, good. Nitila, good. Naitik, Rota. Very good, Farnas.
Finished.
Yeah, moving on to the next letter. Very good. Diction, good. Moving on to the next letter. It is Mom and the dad makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children.
Ma'am,
Very
what are the
good,
letters, ma'am?
madam. First I said b.
B,
Next
B.
I said first is
Okay.
b. Second
Okay.
letter is and the
Okay.
third is Very good, Vivan. Vivan will not show me the slate. Only Mama will show.
Ma'am, we will call me.
Hey, Vidyut. Very nice, Vidyut.
Ma'am, Rohita and ma'am.
No, I saw Vidyut's slate. Rohita, very good, Rohita.
Ma'am,
Good, ma.
What? I'm Kavyani, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma, Kavyani. What is she saying?
Ma'am, it's Vijut, not. Ma'am, it's me, not Vijut. This should
No, I saw in the screen Vidyut was writing. That only I told. Very good. But Kavyani, how did you write your B? Standing line and then a curve, Kavyani. Don't put like 6. It's wrong. Okay? B, how will you write, children? Yes, ma?
Not 6.
Not 6.
Write one more time. Let me see.
Ma'am, let's go to one small line.
Okay, next letter is take an X-ray. Take an X-ray with you. Take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. Hey, Rohita, very smart, Rohita, you are. Lift your slate and show it to me, I'll see. Yeah, good, Ashni, very good, Ashni. Very good, Naitek. Good, Danvin. Ritvik, Ulta, you are showing me. Nukshita, Farnaz, good ma, Farnaz. Finish. Yeah, good, everyone, good, very good. Very good, children. Very good, Kavyani, good. Okay, now next is up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. What is that letter?
You, ma'am.
Oh, did I ask you the answer? Right. Nobody should say your answer. Right. Good. Small U. U will go like this and a small curve will come down, Rohita. U will come like this. Very good, Ashni. Farnaz. Rohita. Vidyut.
Ma'am, he's not writing now.
You.
He wants to see X-ray.
X-ray.
That day I showed him.
I will show you
to
X-ray
understand.
now if you are not writing. Now, online I will
So
show
he
you the X-ray.
remembered and he is asking me to take and show him again.
This and all you will remember, but what I am saying you will not even listen. Oh my God, what to do with this boy? Come on, right. Stop laughing.
Right, soon.
Yeah, good. Good, ma. Everyone good. Karthikeyan, good. Okay, next letter. We are moving on to the next letter. Drive big van round the village. Drive big van round the village. Drive big van round the village. Ooh. Right, right. Don't leak your answer. Come on, right. Yeah, good. Danvin, Karthikeyan. Good. Farnas, very good, Farnas. Very good.
Abachap.
Good,
Don't call.
Danvin, sorry, Dikshan, good. Dikshan, Vidyut, very good. Nitila, good.
Ma'am, Rohita,
Karnika,
ma'am.
good.
Ma'am, Rohita,
Rohita,
ma'am.
very good.
Oh, Rohita, ma'am.
Rohita. No marks for Rohita if you are running. Okay, next letter, next letter. We'll finish off fast. Okay? Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this. Eh. Very good. Wonderful, Karthikeyan. Good. Children, you are identifying it as soon as I sing the song. Very good, children. Very proud of you. Good. Janavi, what are you writing? Very good, Dikshan. Dikshan, this is for you.
Ma'am, Nuchita.
Very good, Nukshita. Good, ma.
Which? Ma'am, Rohita, ma'am. Please.
Good, good. Very good, Rohita.
Chalo, chalo. Very good.
Very good, Rohita. Good. Okay, the final letter. Ready? Final letter. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Very good, Danvin. Good.
Ma'am, Tanika.
Very good, Tarnika. Well done. Very good. And now write the ch sound. Ch, 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 ch. What will you write for ch? Ch. Let me see who is writing first and showing it to me. Ch. Ch. Ch, 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 ch. Very good, Danvin. Very good. Correct. Good. Ch, ch, ch. Dikshan. Good.
Jamila, ma'am.
Good,
I'm
Dikshan.
finished.
Nightik. Very good, Nightik.
Nightik.
Someone I can see only the slate, but not the face. I don't know who's that. Yeah, good. Nightik, I think so. Good. Hashni, good. Nightik, good. Dev Krish, very good, Dev Krish. You have written cursive X, Dev Krish. But you should not write cursive X now. Normal X. Okay? Yeah, good. Correct, Rohita. Very good. Okay, now next is ng. Ring. King. Sing. What makes the ing sound? Farnaz, what makes the ing sound?
Say.
So much long ing. I know ing only. What makes the ing sound? You also have become very naughty, Farnaz, nowadays. Always pranking Vanilla Mom, these children.
I'm saying here,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good. Good. Ashni, good. Tanvin, good. Very good,
I'm
Karthikeyan.
finished.
Nightik, good. Karthikeyan, good. Farnaz, good. Very good. Okay, next sound is shoe. Shape. Shark. Sheep. Shirt. Ship. Hey, super, Vivan. Very good, children. Good. Ashni, Dikshan, Farnaz, Danvin. Kavyani, what did you write for the sound? Tarnika, very good, Tarnika.
Ma'am, Nightik.
Yeah, Nightik, I saw ma. Good. Correct. Janavi, huh? Good. Notebook. Whose notebook is that? Janavi. Try to write in the 4 lines, Janavi. Why are you writing like that?
Like
Look at the face. Very beautiful you are. Very, very, very beautiful.
Going to mark what Jahnavi ma'am.
Yeah, take a snap and make a frame and hang it. Yeah. Okay, good children. Now we are going to start our assessment. Okay. Uma ma'am, can you please send the link, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'll post the
Yeah.
link now.
Yeah, thank you. Parents, the link will be posted in the chat box. You can open it and you can start. Answers, parents, you are not going to teach them any answers. You are just going to read the question and show them. I will also read the question.
Parents, kindly check the chat box for the link. I already posted the link in the chat box. Manila ma'am, you can proceed.
Yeah, I'm checking, ma'am. 1 minute. Yeah, the link has been posted. Parents, you can open it. Yeah, start doing it, children. First question, who is reading? Who is reading here? Click the correct answer. Second one, who is jumping? Third one, who is crying? Fourth one, find the diagram. What picture is it? You have to identify that picture and then choose the sound, whether is it SH, CH or NG. Fifth one, you have a king picture here. Click the sound. Next, it's a shark. Shark. Find the initial sound of the given picture. Initial sound. Whatever sound is it, you have to choose the correct answer. Next picture is also the same. Queen, you have, first you had rat, queen, zebra, watch, umbrella. Find the color of the given animal. What color is this animal? Blue, red or grey? Click the correct option, blue, red or grey. And then here you have a donut here. What color is it? Brown, pink or yellow? Next, you have to choose the odd one here. It's very easy, children. Choose the odd one. Here also you have 3 pictures, but different pictures you have. You have to see what type of animals are they, and then you have to choose the odd one out. Here also you have the same. See what type of animals are here, and then click the correct answer. Here you have who is stronger. You have 3 options. That is, there's a plant is given there. Who is stronger than the plant given there in the question? Is it a leaf, flower, or a tree? Who is stronger? Strong. Next, who is weaker? Who is weaker than me? Who is very weak? 3 pictures are given here. You have to compare with the truck. Who is very weak than the truck? Is it an aeroplane, a ship, or a car? Who is weaker than the truck? That way you have to find it. Think and do it, children. Here, find the starting letter of the picture. Cat. Use the phonic sound and find the letter. Cat. Rat. Use the phonic sound and find it. Bat. The sound in which the picture is starting is the correct answer. Bat. We have the position words here. The cat is dash the table. The cat is dash the table. Where it is on the table, under the table, or is in the table. The dog is dash the table. On the table, under the table, or in front of the table. Click the correct answer, children. The horse is dash the stable. The horse is in the stable, or on the stable, or under the stable. Last question. The boy is standing dash of the TV. Where is he standing? Is he standing on the TV, under the TV, or in front of the TV? And then submit. One more time, check your answers and then submit it. Finished, everyone? Check it to our school number. Last time to which number you have sent? The same number you have to send. Ma'am, can you send that number, ma'am?
What, ma'am?
No need to send a number, or it will automatically get submitted, ma'am.
No, if you want the parents submitted, no, I will get the itself. Not required to send in the WhatsApp and all.
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
get the marks in the Google form itself.
Okay. Then just submit it, parents. No need to
Yeah.
send the view score and all. Finished. How many of you are still doing it? Let me know. Was everyone able to open the link? Hashni finished?
Rohita ma'am.
Rohita finished? Finished? Very good, Rohita.
I'm so happy, ma'am. She won.
Did it on her own? Children, was it easy? Yeah, very good, children. Was it easy or difficult? Easy only, yeah. Very good. Vishank, did you finish your paper? Vishank.
వచ్చినప్పుడు
Very good, Rohita, but you are. Vishank, did you finish it, ma Vishank? Vishank is not there, huh? Naitik finished, very good. Yes, Vishank. Who called me now?
I'm doing.
Finish diction. Very good. What?
Look.
What, ma? What you want me to look?
He has written that dictation now.
Dictation words. How did he do his paper?
No, he didn't complete it, ma'am. He just crossed.
You are doing it still. You are doing it.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Take your own time. Okay, children. Next, Farnas, how did you do your paper? Was it easy, Farnas? Farnas? How many of you got help from your parents? Let me know. How many of you got help from your parents? How many of you did it on your own? Let me know. Come on. How many of you did it on your own? Let me know. Yes, how did you do it, Hashni?
My own.
You did it on your own. Very good. Dikshan?
My own.
Okay, Dhanvan did it on his own. Naitek?
Ma'am, I'm on.
You did it on your own. Very good. Karthikeyan?
This is on.
What?
None.
Did it on your own. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for your seminar, Dikshan? Dikshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you do it today?
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. I will prepare the on the PPT, ma'am.
Okay. Take your own time. Okay, next is Kavyani. Finished? Kavyani. Kavyani. Is this girl able to hear me or not? I don't know.
Doing, ma'am.
You're doing still?
Yes, ma'am. He's thinking, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Think and do. In which question she is?
She's finding difficulty on the odd one, ma'am.
Odd one. That's why I told you. 3 animals are given. No, you have to find out whether it is a wild animal or marine animal, and then you have to choose the correct answer. Okay? Choose whether it is a wild animal or marine animal. See, all the pictures are wild animal or all the pictures are marine
ma'am.
animal, and then you have to choose. Which question is that?
1 second, ma'am.
Ma'am, just we want to submit the paper.
Yeah, just submit it. Need not send any views, the scores what you have got.
16.
That's what I asked you. 16th one. What pictures are given there, Kavyani?
Sangi, what pictures given?
What is
Sangi.
ma'am?
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot. Then tiger is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then elephant is given.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, elephant. Wolf.
Yes, ma'am.
Elephant is given. Okay. Then okay. Now tell me. Tiger is a what animal?
Marine.
Tiger is a wild animal or marine animal?
Wild animal.
Okay. Elephant?
Elephant. Wild animal.
Okay. Parrot?
Parrot. Farm animal.
Farm animal. Parrot is a farm animal. It's a bird. Okay. So you have 2 wild animals and 1 bird. So which is different here? Which is different? 2 wild animal, 1 bird. Which is different?
Different guns at the
All are wild animals. No.
Shava.
Ma'am.
எல்லாமே wild animals கவியாணி அங்க இருக்குறதுல.
No, ma'am.
எது wild animal இல்ல அங்க? எது wild animal கிடையாது? Which is not a wild animal?
Parrot, ma'am.
Then that is the answer. Choose it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next question. Move on to the next question now. Vishank, which question are you doing, Vishank? Vishank, playing with the toys. Janavi, how did you do it, Janavi?
Ma'am, 13, ma'am.
13th. Okay, do it. Yes?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Tarnika. Yes, I'm asking to Janvi. 1 minute, ma Tarnika. Janvi,
I look funny.
how was the paper?
I know paper, ma'am. I laptop.
Very smart. What are you giving to Janvi? Please give it to me also.
Please convey that out. That to me also, ma'am. I should have that.
Oh my God, very
I know
smart.
the scale.
Sorry. Very sorry. Okay, I think Zeddy joined now. Zeddy? Yeah, very good, Dev Krish. I called Zeddy. Zeddy is there?
Ma'am, network issue, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem.
Ma'am,
Just click on
network
that
issue.
link. Click on the link and you just attend the paper. Yes?
Not your voice is not coming, ma'am.
Voice not. Can in the chat box the link is posted. Zeddy's mom. Oh my God. Zeddy's mom. Network issue.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Little more, ma'am.
You just click on the link that is given in the chat box. You can see.
Ma'am, I'm login in mobile, ma'am. But
Chat box. Go to the
login
chat
option not.
box. Chat box is given, no? Chat box is chat box. The link is there. Can you see the link?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Uma ma'am, can you please send one more time, Uma ma'am? Uma ma'am. Okay, let me check. 1 minute, Zeddy's mom. I'll check.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No issue.
Yeah, the link has been posted one more time.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, did you get the link? Got the link?
No.
No.
Ma'am, I have also in call message share screen turn on captions, feedback and report abuse. I have only this one message
Chat box.
option.
The 3 dots are there, no?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I'm clicking. I'm
That in
yeah,
that
ma'am.
you will have
Sorry,
an
ma'am.
in-call
I
message.
got
Yeah. Did you get that?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Then open that and attend
Yeah.
the paper. Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, children. Very good, children. Hope everyone have finished your
Ready.
assessment paper. Tomorrow is our math assessment. Prepare well for that. Okay. We'll have missing numbers in tens and also in ordinary numbers also. From 1 to 80 you'll have. Yes, Ritvik's mom. What do you want to say? Ritvik's mom. No, I saw your mobile. That's what I asked you. Okay. Okay, children. So kindly be ready for that assessment, math assessment. Tomorrow we'll be getting pentagon shape. Yeah.
What's the question, ma'am? Tell it.
Number